Welcome back to our PacMan video series in creating a video game using Scratch. We have been building the up movement, which I'm very happy with. I think that's going to work really well. And now it's time to build the down so that we can test the up and the down movement. In order to do that, I'm going to go to the top blue one and I'm going to right click and choose duplicate. I'm just going to move that down. I'm going to move it a fair ways down because I need to add some more code to the up. And then I'm going to go back and grab our purple block, or sorry, that's pink, the pink block that says move the blue ghost down, and we're going to attach it. Now, in order to fix this, really up and down are both on the Y axis. So everything we've done here is about the Y position or the changing Y. So in order for, instead of going up, which was positive numbers, and down, which is negative, we need to flip all of our numbers around. So wherever there's a 25, we need to change it to a negative 25. Wherever there's a negative 25, we need to change it to a positive 25 or just regular 25. And then the 50, we need to change to a negative. So I'm just going to do that really quickly. So this becomes negative 25. This becomes 25. This becomes regular 25 or positive 25. And this becomes negative 50. Okay. So really that quickly, we've made all the adjustments we need to, except for one, which is this all ghost speed. Instead of the speed being a positive number, we need to make it a negative. So we'll go to our green, grab grab the negative. And I hope you remember from our previous lessons that if you take 0, subtract the speed, you get a negative number. So we'll put that in there. Okay, so our down is ready to go. And if we go back to our code framework that we started, there's our code framework. So this is our framework here. We haven't done left and right, so we're going to leave those blank for now. Up here, I had in our last video, this had been 1 and 1 because we were only testing up and down. But what I'd like to do now is I'd like to test only down, which is number 2 and 2. So that's going to only choose this one. And we're going to see how that works. So let's go ahead and hit the green flag. We'll start the game. And our ghost moves down and then it stops. Yay! Dance of joy. Now, what's going to happen next is as it moves, it's going to make one kind of row movement, either up or down. And at the end of this, we want it to choose another direction again. So I'm just going to literally duplicate this one piece right here. I'll just put it there for now. Reattach. And then at the very bottom of this, as low as I possibly can, let's move those out of the way so it's clear. I'm going to let it choose the different direction. So far we only have up and down working. So I'm going to change this to say either choose 1 or 2. And then down here, I'm going to also choose either 1 or 2. And now when I click the green flag, I don't even know. Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? I don't know. Oh, there it goes. So it moved down 1 row, up 1 row, down. It kept going down. Now it's going. So it's literally just going to either go up 1 row, down 1 row, or up 2 rows, and then come back down. And it's randomly choosing those. You're not choosing it. I don't know what the ghost is going to do next. This is success. This is massive success. We've done really, really well. And so I'm just going to stop that right now. The next thing, obviously, that we're going to do is going to be left and right. But left and right have some more complications to them because they're not in the y-axis. We can't just copy and paste and change the numbers. They're in the x-axis. So I'm going to save that for our next video. All right. Thanks for joining, and we'll see you in the next one.